Hi guys, just got this socket set here now from Lidl, the Parkside. What is it? A 65 piece socket set. It's got a 3-year warranty there. And yeah, I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, the seal is still on it. Box looks fine. It's on this side. High quality set. Yeah. You have chrome Vandemum CRV and S2 steel with 3/8 10mm drive. Whatever 10mm drive means. So I got 20 sockets, 4 spark plug sockets, 17 sockets, 5X, 3 TX keys, 195mm ratchet, 200mm. What is it? Extension. 7 E-profile sockets, 1 sliding T-bar, 10 multiplied by 4 deep sockets, 1 cardion, point that, and 12 multiplied by 75mm extension. Right, that's it there. But let's get it open. There you go. Pulling the box apart. Let's get this here, no clippers and all. Best tool in the house. Let's pull it off. That's what the box looks like there. Nice, reasonably sturdy plastic clips. We'll go this way. Yeah, we'll go that way. And slowly turn it around. Oh, is that lovely? No, isn't it? It's going to be handy. I work as a mechanic myself. Yeah, why is that drawn in there? I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, there's something falling out there. Is that 7? Yeah, 7. 7 looks like. Looks good. Looks fine. Even 6, yeah. 6 goes there. Oh, E18. Nice and sturdy looking, to be fair to it. Yeah. Parkside. Oh, ratchet. That's it, ratchet. Okay. Square handled. Ah, yes. It's got a torque here. I've seen on other spanners where they're just a push fit there. And yeah. It's made of metal. Yeah. Okay, that was good. Right. She's supposed to be 72 teeth. Nice little click off it, to be fair. Attach it to a socket. Can't complain with the sound of that. Very nice. Let's go and look at. So yeah, it's a square handled C. It says CRV 10mm, and she's the 3/8. As I only bought this because would you believe my one was either lost or stole? More than likely lost. I lost it on a site. Or I was swapping vans at work, you know. I don't know what happened, but I needed a 3/8 set. They're very handy for going on to building sites because I have a tool bag, but you can bring this in like a little carry case, you know, and it's dead handy, you know. So especially like you have got your HX6, or 6mm Allen keys, basically 5mm Allen key, you know. And very handy that. 5, 6, there's 7. 7 is dead handy if you're doing a set of brake pads in some cars. Yeah. The TH7's very handy for brake pads. She goes to H11. She doesn't go to H12. Right, I had to take a break there. My 2 kids came in. So where was I? Was talking about the Allen keys. Torx then, T15 up to T50. Excellent. Now they're really handy as well. There's T30. For Torx are handy, say, for taking out backlights out of cars. Yeah. And whatnot. T25, very handy. Now the only thing with this set is these sort of Torx are more probably handier if they were in a 1/4 inch with a 1/4 inch screwdriver, you know. And maybe I'll have no problem using them anyhow, one way or another. Parkside 10mm, unusual looking socket actually, to be fair. What else is there? Just deep socket, slightly deeper, 13mm. Alright, 10, 13. Here's a 17. Oh, excellent. I don't know, I don't think they're spark plug sockets because there's no rubber in there. So, and there's a 15, deep. Right, so I got 4 deep sockets there. Cool. Now we're over here to spark plug sockets. Not that you're changing too many spark plugs these days. Don't know when I last changed a spark plug, to be honest. Although I worked on a power washer, 15 or 6.5 horsepower Honda engines. Now then, I did take a lot of spark plugs out. So yeah, I guess so. There, it even has a spark plug symbol on it. Japers, look at that. Isn't that gas? It's 18mm. Gosh, there's the 19mm. Can you see that? Not very well with the light. So sorry about that. Clicks in, and I got a 16mm spark plug socket and a 14mm. Wow. God, I had to buy a 14mm spark plug socket. I bought a deep socket actually before. I didn't have one to service a car. So we have a hex. Oh, I never noticed the hex 4 down here. It's just underneath that. And then we have M's. Okay. M10, M8. Right. Very good. Wibbly wobbly. Yeah. There's a wibbly wobbly. Don't really use them too often, to be fair. These little extension there, ideal. And we've got this guy here. Oh, yeah, actually, do you know what? I suppose you could use him as a screwdriver if you needed to. You actually could, I suppose. Take that off, slide that off. Can I just slide that off? Try on my, let's just say 6mm. Sorry, no, I'll add it on. A ready-made screwdriver? Maybe. Oh, it's not fair. You could use it like that, I guess. Yes, indeed. I have heard you can turn this upside down without anything falling out of it, bar these guys. So let's just see. Let's just do it. Will I do it? You ready? Ooh, something fell out. One socket. These guys stayed in there. I thought they were going to fall out. So what fell out? The 12. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nothing really fell out. Yeah, so what have we got here? Okay, they go to 24. Excellent. 24 and the 3/8. I hope I won't need to put too much pressure on that. But I have it in here. Get me out of trouble. This wouldn't be the top end set, but it's certainly going to get me out of trouble. 14 there now. 13's there, what I'm be planning on using. Maybe up to 17. What is the 17? Might get a plenty of use. Sure will, I'd say. I work fixing cherry pickers, telehandlers, generators, lighting towers, all that kind of stuff. Plant for my sins. Yeah, there's a little detail here. Yeah, it is what it is. So, I think I got that for less than €40. That's not bad, I think, lads, is it? Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you could. Jesus. And like. Yeah. And that's me over and out with my parkside tools. Do we know stopping me now? A little document here, whatever that's about. Oh, everything's got the QR codes these days, doesn't it? God alive, what's that about? Oh, guarantee. I suppose I better keep that. Probably not. Cheers, lads. See ya.